In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color code in Excel to highlight data. We'll use Excel's conditional formatting so cells that contain a specific word or phrase stand out automatically. This is perfect for calling out statuses like paid, overdue, or high priority without scanning every row. First, highlight the data you want Excel to check. Click the first cell in your list, then drag to the last cell in that column, or across multiple columns if you need the rule to cover more fields. Choose only the area you want colored. You can include headers if you want the rule to apply there too, but most people select just the body of the table. If your list is long, you can select the top cell and use Shift plus a click on the bottom cell to grab everything in between. If you make a mistake, undo and reselect. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and choose Conditional Formatting. This menu controls rules that change how cells look when they meet certain conditions, and it works the same on Windows, Mac, and the web. From the menu, pick Highlight Cells Rules. This group contains quick, common checks like greater than, duplicate values, and the one we need for text. Choose Text that contains. Excel opens a small dialog tied to your selection. This rule scans each cell in that range and flags any cell that includes the text you specify, even if the word appears in the middle of a longer phrase. Now, type the text you want to find. Enter it exactly as it appears in your data. By default, Excel isn't case-sensitive for this rule, so typing paid will match paid. It also matches partials. Typing pay can catch payments and payday, so use a precise word to avoid accidental matches. Keep an eye out for extra spaces in your data. If results look inconsistent, clean the entries and try again. As you type, you'll see a live preview of the color format across your selection. Excel uses a preset fill and font color, so the highlighted cells are easy to spot. If your version shows a style dropdown, you can pick a different color that fits your sheet's theme. When you're satisfied, accept the change and return to your sheet. That's it. The highlighted cells will update automatically whenever your data changes, and if your range is an Excel table, the rule expands as you add rows. If nothing lights up, double-check you selected the right range and that the text exists. And if you ever want to remove the colors later, you can clear the rule from the same conditional formatting menu.